In this video, you'll learn how to add the Tron network to your OKX wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to send, receive, and view TRX directly within your wallet application. Begin by opening the OKX wallet app on your device. Ensure that your app is updated to the latest version to avoid any issues during this process. Once the app is open, you will be greeted with the main wallet interface. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Networks. This is typically found within the main menu of the app. When you select this option, a list of available networks will be displayed for you to choose from. After the networks list appears, scroll through the options until you find Tron TRX. This may take a moment depending on how many networks are listed. Once you see Tron, click on it to select this network. Once you click on Tron, the Tron network will now appear in your extension wallet. This confirmation indicates that the network has been successfully added. After this, navigate back to the main wallet screen and scroll down to find the option labeled Manage Crypto. In the Manage Crypto section, look for Tron again. When you find it, tap on the add plus sign next to it. This action will finalize the addition of Tron to your wallet, enabling you to manage your TRX tokens easily. You can now send, receive, and view your TRX tokens within the OKX wallet. This functionality allows you to interact with the Tron network efficiently, always ensure that you have sufficient storage and a stable internet connection for a seamless experience while using your wallet.